Just got here to the Buffalo Chip. The traffic wasn't nearly as bad as I thought. It's 8:16. I'm out the east gate. There's free parking out here on this big open pasture. The gate is right across the street here, so looks pretty convenient. I've heard it's hard getting out of here at the end of the night, so that's probably where I'll be experiencing a lot more traffic. Now I'm just out here getting ready to cross the road here. So I still need to purchase my ticket. I could have done it in advance, but I just wasn't sure that I was going to make it out here for sure. There's no refunds on their tickets for any reason. Even if they cancel the concert, they don't even refund you, which is actually kind of BS in my book. Let's go ahead and go get our ticket for Stone Temple Pilots and check it all out. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. They were really helpful out here to kind of direct me. I'm going to this concert by myself. I didn't have anybody else that was going and couldn't convince anybody else to come. There's the box office right out here. So you don't have to go to the main entrance and get your ticket. You can just come out here. I did kind of check it out to figure out how to get over here before tonight's show. Here's the box office out here. We'll get our tickets and then we will go into the Buffalo Chip and I'll show you their little cool gate. Wow, that was easy peasy. Got my wristband, got that on, and here is the gate. Legendary Buffalo Chip. Think you can camp here for free, I think, if you buy a ticket. There's the cool sign. And it sounds like Hinder is coming up first. So we're gonna go in and catch the first act. Wow, there's some art out here too. There's a whole booklet that I received with Buffalo Chip motorcycle art. Bikes used as art. Some of them are very artistic on their own, but when you do something like this, it's pretty cool. Here's another piece of art. All right. All right, it sounds like they're starting. There's gonna be motorcycles out in the front. They're gonna be revving up in between different parts of the show. So it's gonna be pretty loud in there. I'll do my best to show you what I can. And I'm just gonna have a great time tonight. So I hope you're enjoying today's vlog. If you are, please consider liking and subscribing. It really does help out my channel. And we'll just have a great rest of the evening. If I would have known this was out here, I would have been out here earlier. This is the Motorcycles as Art show. It's all inside. And there are some crazy, crazy bikes. Look at that bike. That's just the first one I'm seeing. Look at this one. Wow. Oh my gosh, I had no idea this was here. Dragonator. Wow, that is crazy. Got some other cool bikes up here. Wow, look at that one. I had to stand back to get the whole bike in the frame. Wow. That's a beauty. I'm gonna go over here and see this crazy one. You see all the chains on it?
I do. It looks.
It looks.
There's one piece that throws me off.
Yeah.
The phone.
Well,
everything else is.
Yeah, they got you got the thing for the phone. Yeah, the holder there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they should have removed that before they put it up there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Other than that, it's pretty awesome, isn't it? I didn't even notice that yet. I hadn't gotten that far. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, we got another cool bike over here. Dustin Knott. It's an independently owned company based in LA area. Show you his little information here. That's a fantastically cool bike, really cool. Wow. Oh, here's another one of the Knott bikes. Yeah, that's really something. Cool. There's a lot of other art here on the walls and everything too to take a look at. I'm gonna come over here. Gotta check out the rest of the bikes that are over here. I'm not gonna get all of them, but there's a few others I'd like to take a look at. This one. Really cool. Look at that little saddle. Wow, that's a cool bike. Triumph. Wow, that is something else. And look at that beautiful powder blue bike, white seat. That's really pretty, really cool. Let's see what the information on the placard says. What's going on? There we go. Jared Weens out of Tampa builds custom bikes. Now these are really beautiful. He's got a passion for vintage motorcycles. Yeah, so there's their Instagram, so you can check them out. Look them up. Yeah, there's some cool vintage bikes right in here. Yeah, these motorcycles over on this other side that I was just showing you are from Brock Bridges. And there's the Instagram. If you want to take a look at these people's work, follow them on Instagram because you'll be able to see all their pictures of their bikes. Yeah, so this is the one over here that had the red bike and then the green. Cool bike, and then that brown one right there. Yeah, that's really cool. Wow. I really didn't know this was going to be here. This is really something. Oh my gosh, there's even some more over here. Let's take a look. A dirt bike. Johnny Lewis, former professional motorcycle racer, and you can find his Instagram. Wow, cool. All right, let's go over here. We got a few more bikes. I hear a band playing. I want to get out there and listen, but I'm here to check out the bikes too. This is something else. I wish I would have been here a little earlier. Wow. I mean, these are special, like really cool. Get on this side of this bike so I can get a little more of it for you. Oh man, that is so cool. Wow. Comment below if you're finding one that you like the best. I don't know, they're all so different, it's hard to pick one. These are really cool. Look at that chain, it's like a gold chain on it. Look at all the hand shifters, the hand, oh my gosh. All the gold detail in there. So you've got the silver engine and then you've got all of this gold detail in there. Wow, that is crazy. Look at the seat. Yeah, this is really cool, really cool. I just like the contrasting with the silver and the gold on here. And we got another bike up here. Wow, sweet. This is Wayne Burgess' work. Let's see here, let me get down here. I'm gonna look at that green bike in front of us, but let's look at Wayne Burgess and his Instagram. Wow, that is something else. Wow, look at that sharp green. Oh man, that is, I gotta get back a little bit to see these bikes. Oh, it's like I'm zoomed in a lot. There we go, I can see a little better now. Wow. Look at all the detail on that bike. Another unusual bike right here. Michel Messina. There's his Instagram. You can follow him. Okay, there's another bike in front of me here. I'm gonna go on the other side. Look at the paint job on that. I mean, it's just, the shape of it and the style of it is amazing, but what's really catching my eye is all the paint detail. Look at that, it's like an eye in there. I don't know if you can see it. My shadow might be getting in the way. Come back around here so we can see who and these are true artists, really. This artist is Roy Martin. There's his Instagram. He's from Denver, Colorado. Wow. You can't imagine how long that would take to complete a bike like that. I don't even know what some of this is. Maybe someone can share what that is on that bike. I have no idea. Yeah, it's got this piece that comes out. Is it just this? I don't know what that is. Some kind of part of the engine. I'm not sure what it is. It's amazing though. So different. And then we've got a brown bike over here on the end that's really fantastic as well. There's quite a few people in here checking out these bikes. Yeah, that's a stylish, classy bike right there. Wow. And if you see over here, there's a lot of artwork and tons of artists in here. That is really fun to be able to come in here. That was a big surprise. But I'm gonna head on out of here and get into the arena area and go check out the band because they're on stage right now. First band is supposed to be Hinder, and then Stone Temple Pilots is the second band. Well, here we go. Hi.
So your guys' day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's a merchandise tent here. Should go look and see what Stone Temple Pilot shirts they have. All right. I think I'm finding the crowd starting here.
How the hell's everybody doing today? We're having a good time so far. Man, it's great to be here. It's always great to be back out in here. Thank you guys. You always show up. It's always a great time, man. Has anybody gotten rained out or anything yet? Then it's a good fucking year, man. Congratulations.
The real fucking thing. Not bad.
We're gonna do a breakup song next. But what are the good kind of breakup songs, you know? Not the kind like where you're crying and you're miserable for like 2 years. I love it! If you know this song, sing along! The song's called Without You. I just wanna be alone tonight. I just wanna take a little breather. We got any collective soul fans in the house?
She's got black hair and hazel eyes. And something special about herself, she said, I chase whiskey with beer. That is number 1, Kristen from Denver, Colorado. Contestant number 2, from Nashville, Tennessee, this is Erin Marie. She's a pharmaceutical rep and stands 5 foot 6 inches tall. Her measurements are 34 triple D and curvy, with honey brown hair and baby blue eyes. And something special about Erin, she said she recently won a taco eating contest. That is number 2, Erin Marie from Nashville, Tennessee. Contestant number 3, this is Vanessa, and she's from the Black Hills of South Dakota. Her occupation, she said, I'm the boss, and she stands 5 foot 5. Her measurements are the good ones. Her hair color is blonde ambition, no explanation, and her eye color is the color of your next bad decision. Something special about herself, she said, I'm sweet enough to charm your mama, and I'm wild enough to worry your daddy. And that's number 3. From the Black Hills of South Dakota, that's Vanessa.
We love this gig, man. We love the thunder in between the songs. Thank you, Sturgis!
All right, friends, I'm going to end the vlog here at the Buffalo Chip at the 85th Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. It's been a fantastic day. Stone Temple Pilots is playing one of my favorite songs right now, but I'm heading out right now, so maybe I can beat some of the crowd. It's about midnight now. It was a fun night. Thank you so much, Dean, for letting me rev your motorcycle and sit on your bike. I really appreciate that. That was a lot of fun. I'm heading back home now. It's been a fantastic rally. This is my last night of going to the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. I do have work the rest of the week. Thank you so much for watching my videos this week, subscribing, comments, all the comments. It's been fantastic. I'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks again. Have a nice night.